Playing with Hopper. Lay down, lay down. Hopper, lay down. Lay down.
Tell you what, Hopper. Hopper, are you a good boy?
He is a good boy. Hopper is a good boy.
Hopper is a good boy. Hopper. Are you a good
No.
boy? Where's Kamatis? Bunso ni Ro, ano yung mukha ka magkamatis? Hiniwa nila daan, makid kaon na. Pectin. Amo, may kutsilyo.
She is preparing our food.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Escudero.
You're not promoting him, right?
Yay, Hopper.
He's a good boy, Hopper. Are you a good boy?
He always playing with me. Oh my
Why
God.
kiss you?
You scratch my
Why kiss his butt for you?
Oh.
Aww, I wanna play with you. Hopper, are you playing with Baba? Oh, you wanna play? He's trying to catch you. Using his paws.
Ang grabe ko ano. Ang daming ano niya, balahibo sa lamisa.
He wants more.
Oh my God.
That's Hopper. Hopper.
Maganda na yung ano, weather. Yung snow na ano na. Ito yung ito yung swimming pool nila. Oh, ito yung swimming pool nila. May ice pa, may snow pa. Unti-unti nang na ano. Ito, swimming pool to. Next month, unti-unti na yung mabubuhay yung ano, yung mga kahoy. Yan, mabubuhay na yan. Balik sa ano, normal. Yan. Ito hindi nalagas. May sapa dyan oh, sa unahan. May ano. Kaso nag-frozen yung tubig. Ito yung ano nila, tingnan natin yung hot tub nila, liguan nila. Ito yung hot tub. Tingnan natin ito. Ito. Liguan nila, dito sila maliligo. Pag galing sa swimming pool, dito sila sa mainit na tub. Kunti lang ang tubig nila nilagay. Kunti lang na ano yung snow. Nawala. Hopper.